Come on, can you give us a push now, James? Quick. Quick, 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 quick. Quick, sit down. Sit. James, come on. Someone, hang on, wait, Ben, wait. Wait, Sammy, legs up. Okay, let's go. Let's go. We're going to push him. You're going to watch what he's doing. Okay. Not too fast. We're going to make the corners. Not too fast. That's enough, man. Oh, that's you. I know. It's you, Bob. Yeah, I know. Up, up. Okay, I'll have a push now. I'll have a push now. Oh, the legs up. Give me a push now, Ben. Let's go. Look at us. Ready? Sammy, sit down. Here we go. Hang on, hang on. Got to get Sammy's foot back up. Oh, Sam. Oh, you've got to leave your legs up, mate. Because he keeps putting his feet down, doesn't he? Okay. Okay. Go, 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 go. Here we go, Sam. Hold on tight. That's it. Not too fast. Woo! Bit more pushing. Go. Here we go, Sam. We're gonna watch the track now. Watch out for the bigger. Ooh, go, Ben. A bit faster. A bit faster. There we go, Sam. Big corner. Woo! Where's my pusher? Where's my pusher? Oh, here we go. Let's go, let's go. Okay, push. Here we go, Sam. Watch out the corners. Go, 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 go. Give me some speed, give me some speed. We just made that one. That was difficult. Not too much around the corners. Let's go, Sammy. Let's go. Give us the speed. Oh no, we gotta crash! Oh, it's you. Yeah, I know. Hang on, nearly finished. Let's go fast. Okay. Here we go, Sam. Let's make the corner. James, yeah. Where is James? Let's go back and see. There he is. What, this way? Oh! Go, Ben, go, go. Give me the speed. I'm going to crash the cubby. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, hi James, wait for James. Oh, not too fast, Ben. Oh, Ben. Oh. That's it, we crashed.
No, Dad, have more.
No.